Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create brick single chair in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and then in this event you can create any special furniture. One of them is brick single chair like this. But first, to create this furniture, you need the recipe, and you can get this recipe from the Battle Pass rewards. And you can get these rewards after you reach level 12 like this. And after you get this recipe, just go to your workbench and then just tap on craft and then just scroll down until you find the recipe, the brick single chair recipe like this. And then in here you need to complete all the materials. You need rare timber and then bronze, and then you need modular brick material pack. And then after that just adjust the amount that you want to create, and then after that just tap on craft and then just tap on hold to continue like this and wait for a moment, and just like that you will successfully create the brick single chair like this. I think it's so cool. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.